Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily find and access your draft posts on Facebook. So let's head over to Facebook. So currently, I'm not using a personal account and I'm using a Facebook page, but it works the same with a personal account. From here, we can try creating a post. There are instances when you just want to save it as a draft, and on your Facebook notifications, you should be able to see that your draft has been saved. From there, you can also access your drafts. But if we go to our phone's notification, you can also see a notification about our draft being saved. So either of those you can click. From there, you can now view and access your drafts. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily view and access your drafts on Facebook. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!